Hi, it's Pauline. When you're out there looking for a new home, you might come across some properties that need a little bit of TLC. We can help you with financing to include the renovation costs into the mortgage. For example, if you found a home and you want to put a suite in it, the renovation cost for the complete suite can be included in your mortgage. If you found a home that needs some updating inside, and that might be the reason why you love the neighborhood but you don't love the house, you absolutely can change the look and the feel of the house with renovations. I don't want you to miss an opportunity to purchase a home just because it needs some updates and you don't think that you have the money and you can't afford to do it. We definitely have options for you to consider. Visit my website and check out my blog. I have an article regarding Purchase Plus improvements, which can give you more details.